What we're going to be doing is looking how to create an equation if you're given a slope of a point. In particular, we're going to find it's going to be an equation of a line. And we're going to find it in the format y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to give you a slope and a point, and we're going to use that to find the equation of the line. So as a quick reminder, y equals mx plus b. The m stands for the slope, and the b stands for the y-intercept. So let's say, for example, the slope is 3, and I say it goes through a point 5 and 22. So what we have is, we know what the equation is y equals mx plus b. Now the slope is 3. So I'm going to say that so the slope is the m, remember? So the slope is 3x plus b. So instead of m, I wrote 3 because 3 is the slope. I need to find out what b is. Now b is not the 22 because b is this very special y. It's the y-intercept. That's not the y-intercept. The y-intercept would have an x of 0. So we can't just plug in the 22 for the b. But we do know that for a given point, this is our x value and this is our y value. And what we're going to do is we're going to use those points to temporarily put this into the equation. So the y, I'm going to say, is 22 equals 3. And then the x is 5. And now it's just math. So it's going to be 22 equals 15 plus b. 22 minus 15 equals b. And b equals 7. But we're not done. We have to finish it off now. I mean, we've done all the work we really need to do. So remember, the answer has to be in the form y equals mx plus b. Y and x are going to go back to the variables that they were. And I'm going to say that y equals, the slope was 3, and then b was 7. So the equation of a line with a slope of 3 that goes through the point 5 and 22 is y equals 3x plus 7. Let's do another one. So let's say the slope is -2, and it goes through the point 7 and -13. So what we have is, we're going to plug in the slope. So the slope is -2. We're going to plug in the point. Remember, this is the x and this is the y. So the y is going to be -13 equals -2, and then the x value is 7 plus b. So we put the slope in for the m, we put the x and the y into the appropriate spots. So -13, -2 times 7 is -14, plus b, and -13, bring the -14 over, it becomes +14, equals b. b equals 1. Am I still on screen? I am. And that's essentially all the work we have to do. So y equals mx plus b. The slope is -2. And then the b is 1. And there we go.